Hello everyone. Notify user for the customer duplication module will notify user if any duplication occur during new customer creation. After installing this module, we need to do some user configuration. So let's get into the settings. So from here, let's get into the one which we have created. So this is the admin. So for each and every user, we need to enable this option to give a notification to the users. Okay, so after enabling this option, now let's get into the contacts and create a duplicate contact. Okay, so here you can see an Azure which is already here. So let's create a new contact in the name of Azure. So here you can see I have created one contact in the name of Azure. So we get a notifications through email. So let's get into the emails. You can see all the emails under technical where you can see the emails. Okay, and here you can see, and this is the mail that we got, like customer duplication data list. Then the customer ID will be 45. You can see that the customer ID of this particular contact will be N45. Okay, and here you can see the name will be Azure. So this will be a duplication data that we got. And also if you create and similar data for all other persons, now let's duplicate this one. Okay, and let's save this one by using the same name. Okay, now let's save this one. While getting into the emails and refresh this page, you can see another email will be generated. But here you can see and customer ID will be the 46. That is, if newly created one will be N46. So let's get into the one. You can see an ID which is created will be N46. Okay, yes, that 46 one, and then we can see all the other informations are similar, and it will list those informations right away here. So in this way we can make use of this module to notify user if any duplication occurred during a new customer creation. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.